What no longer serves you that you still keep in your life? I should ask myself that question. What no longer serves me that I still keep in my house? But I really like that shirt. I'm looking at a candy striper Cedar Sinai, like a medical shirt that I wore 30 years ago when I got caught shoplifting, and my parents made me mow my pastor's lawn every week as part of my punishment, and also volunteer at the local hospital, Cedar Sinai, in heart attack recovery. It smelled. I don't know why I kept that, but it's in my closet, and I don't need it anymore. So look around your room right now, and don't use like a pen or pencil. Use like a fat crayon or like a dull, don't use something that has a fine point. Use something like a more blunt piece of charcoal, pastel, crayon, something like that. Or you know what? It doesn't matter. Use whatever you want. And draw, what's the Maria Kondo thing? Like if there's like a sweater or something you like and it's taking up space and you don't need it, just like take a picture of it and then give it away. And you're like, there's that thing that I had. But let's just kick it up a notch. Draw everything in your room, like just right where you're sitting. I don't know if you're in your room, but when you go home later, sit in your room, your house, and draw every single thing that you don't want anymore or you don't need anymore. Oh, I don't need this vase anymore. I don't need this book. I don't need this jacket anymore. Draw everything that you don't want, and then after you draw it, give it away. Dosame.